This man was born a prince in ancient Persia, worshipping fire. Then he escaped, crossed empires, served corrupt teachers, got betrayed, sold as a slave, and ended up in a desert city digging date trees. From Persian prince to slave. The untold journey of Salman al-Farsi, may Allah be pleased with him. This story is in simple English to help you learn English through stories and learn history. Imagine giving up everything, your royal life, your family, your freedom, chained like a prisoner in your own home, just to chase one question. Where is the real truth? A long time ago, in the land of Persia, a boy named Salman was born into a very rich and important family. His father was a wealthy chief and took care of a holy fire temple. Salman grew up with every comfort, like a young prince in his home. He helped his father pray to the fire, as that was their old religion. One day, his father sent him to do some work. Salman heard sweet voices of prayer from a small building. He went inside and saw Christians worshipping their God. Their way felt pure and true to him. Salman spent the day there, and his heart changed. He left fire worship and asked the people, "Where can I learn the real teachings?" They said, "Go to the Roman Empire. Good and honest teachers live there." When Salman told his father became very angry. He put chains on Salman and locked him at home. But Salman wanted truth more than chains or home. One night he escaped and left everything behind, family, wealth, and country. He traveled far to Roman lands and learned from a big teacher. At first it was good, but later he saw the teacher was taking money for himself in God's name. When the teacher died, Salman showed everyone the hidden money. People felt angry and did not honor him. Then a new, sincere teacher came. Salman loved him. When this good teacher was dying, Salman asked for another honest teacher. The teacher sent him to Iraq. Salman went. This continued. Each kind teacher sent him to the next when they were near death. Finally, the last teacher said something very important. No more great teachers are left in our way now. A final prophet is coming soon. He follows the true path of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. He will be born in Arabia and move to a city full of date trees between two dark mountains. The teacher gave clear signs. This prophet does not take charity. He accepts gifts with love. And he has a special seal of prophethood between his shoulders. These words stayed deep in Salman's heart. Salman prepared and started his long search. He joined Arab travelers by giving them his animals. But when they reached Arabia, they tricked him and sold him as a slave. A Jewish man in Medina bought him. Salman worked hard, but soon he noticed Medina had many date palms and stood between two black rocky mountains. He thought, this is the place. One day, while working in a tall date tree, Salman heard the master's friend shouting, "The people of Medina are following a man who says he is the prophet. He came from Mecca today." Salman's heart filled with joy. He came down quickly. His master hit him and said, "Back to work." But Salman now felt sure. He tested the signs slowly. First, he brought food as charity. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told the companions, "Eat," but did not eat himself. Salman said in his heart, "First sign true." Later he brought food again and said, "This is a gift." Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, ate and shared. Salman felt happy. Second sign true. Only the mark was left. Then a companion passed away. Everyone went to the graveyard with Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Salman followed quietly. When close, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, himself showed his blessed back. There was the seal! Salman cried with love and joy. He told his whole story to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, right there. That day Salman accepted Islam. He became a true Muslim. His master did not allow him to fight in Badr or Uhud. Later Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Ask your price for freedom." The price was high, much gold and 300 date trees. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, asked the companions for help. Sayyidina Uthman, may Allah be pleased with him, gave the most trees and bought the land. The gold was paid. Salman became free. In the Battle of the Trench, Salman gave a smart idea. Dig a deep ditch around Medina, like we did in Persia. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, accepted it. The Muslims won by Allah's help. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said with love, "Salman is from the people of my household." Salman served Islam with all his heart. He helped write letters for Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and worked on the Quran in Persian. He lived simply, gave to the poor, and spoke truth always, even to big leaders like Sayyidina Umar, may Allah be pleased with him. When needed. In his old age, back in Persia as a Muslim leader, he became ill. He told his wife, "Put nice perfume around my bed and open the doors. The angels are coming." Salman al-Farsi, may Allah be pleased with him, left this world in peace. His life shows us, search for truth sincerely, and Allah guides you to the best path. May Allah be pleased with him. Ameen. If you enjoyed learning English through this historical story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, you can learn English through fascinating stories from history. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next story.